But my mama made it. But I made one of it.
Okay.
I don't know which one is I made. Hi guys. So today we're gonna make burger with my mother.
Hi. So what do you want
8
me to
burgers.
do? Okay, we got 8 burgers. Burgers, little burger.
Burgers.
Okay.
And we have to chop.
What do you need?
We need cucumbers, 2 onions, and 1 tomato.
And 1 tomato. That's it?
Yes, it's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now is it hurting your eyes?
Mama, I was turning little back. I touched my
Okay. Done with the
back
onions.
right here on the plate.
What else?
And it was very cold. Oh yeah, do you like vegetables?
Yes, vegetables are ready.
I'll shift aside
You're sitting here now.
because you have to put the oil.
Yes. And you should sit away from the oil, right?
Yeah, so I'm sitting away from the oil. Starts to blow up in the air,
Pop. It pops in the air.
but it makes lots of bubbles.
Pop, pop, pop.
Let's start.
Start. But this one is very badly frozen here.
Hmm.
Mamas are boring?
Nah. No.
No.
It's fun with both of them to make food
Really?
and
I
begin.
won't tell you, Mama, that you said Mama is boring.
Mama,
Yeah?
why did you say Mama to me?
Who is your Mama?
You?
I'm Mama. I'm your mother, Gatu.
No. You do good things for me. You don't tell me bad things.
I don't.
No. You tell me good things. You're not Mother got you.
Mother Gatu.
No. Not Mother got you.
Poga.
Okay, so the oil is gonna pop again. And we're scared of oil pops.
Hold the shield.
Okay.
Oil pops. Keep it like this, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'll put it like this now. Mama.
Yep.
Chanta.
Santa से करेंगे अभी try में.
Chanta.
Santa is good.
Be careful with the chanta.
Yes, I am careful with the Santa.
Don't hit your finger.
I said it Arjun, what you call it.
Veggie burger patties. Veggie burger patties.
Yes, we'll show everyone how they were looking nice golden. Can you see them?
Yep, I can. I can see them now.
Say na.
So guys,
एक बार थोड़ा
so patties are done. Now we have to put the burgers to fry. Okay?
Okay.
Chanta.
क्या डालना है इसमें?
Butter. We're gonna put the butter.
You know when you need to fry anything with butter, आपको हमेशा 1 spoon oil भी डालना चाहिए इसमें, otherwise butter burn हो जाता है. Yeah. You should always add a little oil to butter.
Okay.
Tell everyone.
We always have to put little oil to the butter, then it will fry.
It won't burn.
It will not burn, but it will fry. Frying burgers.
And you are a little burger.
And Mama is a big burger.
Mama keeps bugging you. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the buzz. Okay, so guys, we're gonna put some more butter.
See the butter melts.
But the butter. Mama is playing with the Santa.
Hey, where is the Santa there?
Mama, It's very hot with oil.
Can you pass me the chanta?
Oh, yep. It's a chanta, chanta, chanta. Chanta. Chanta, chanta. Video chanta, 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 chanta. Chanta, chanta, chanta. Chanta. Chanta, chanta. Burgers.
Now see. Stand up.
I'll show you how to make a burger. Right?
Okay. Tell us
Bread. First we take the bread,
both the pieces.
both pieces,
Then
full
you
of oil. Then we have to take milk. And we have to put it on both sides. Alright? Strip, put it all of it. First put all of it. It will be sweet and yummy too. Right?
Okay. Put on the other one also.
But it's enough. But it's enough. Hey! Done. Now I have to take another piece. Right? I got a very big scoop.
Put it on the bread.
Put it like this.
Okay.
But. Oi! It flied there.
Spread it.
Spread it. Right? We have to spread mayonnaise. Mayonnaise or a cheese spread. Cheese spread. Cheese spread. Cheese spread. Cheesy
That's
spread.
done. Now put some more sauce.
Okay, that's enough. Sauce. Right?
What is it? Show first. Show me first.
It's sock.
Which sauce it is?
It's tomato sauce.
Oh.
Guys. So guys, look this. Accidentally I dropped too much of it.
Mama is fixing it.
But my mother is fixing it. But she's also holding the camera. Okay. Next. Right guys. So now it's time for a cucumber. Yummy cucumbers. You have to cut 2 of them. Yes. So guys, we're gonna make very tasty burger right here.
Oh, you put the rings. Let's take out the rings. Okay.
Why?
I'll put it here, na? Okay.
So
So we
it-
can cover it nicely. Okay, we don't need this too.
Mm,
Just put it over this now. You can do it now.
Okay.
Don't put anything here, otherwise you can't flip it, na?
Okay, I'll flip it over and done. Our burger is ready. But the patties are hot, right?
Give me a thumbs up.
I can't. I'm holding with my 2 hands. If I leave
Okay, I'll hold it
it
for
will
you.
balance.
I'll hold it for you. So you'll be making rest of the burgers too?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a burger for everyone else.
For
But
Papi?
it's a veggie burger.
Okay.
And also for Papi and Mama and me.
And
Daddy and Daddy Ma.
okay.
It's very easy. You can make burgers from your own. You can give it to your kids a job. Then they will work for it. Go make burgers.
Same.
Go make burgers. Oh wait.
Hmm?
Don't forget to subscribe and put it on your channels. Forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Yes. But my mama made it. But I made one of it.
Okay.
I don't know which one is I made. I
It's
thought
okay.
this one.
It's okay. Yeah, I think that's one you made. Okay, and we have so many burgers. And what else are we having with burger? What is it?
It's tea.
Yeah, we're making some tea.